In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create desktop shortcut of Microsoft Teams on Windows. Having a dedicated desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to launch the application quickly without needing to open your web browser first and navigate to the Teams website. This method effectively transforms the web version of Teams into a standalone application on your desktop, providing a more integrated and accessible experience. We'll walk through the simple steps to achieve this, making your daily interactions with Teams more efficient and convenient. So, let's get started on setting up this handy shortcut. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams web application in your preferred browser. Once you are on the main Teams interface, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. Here you will locate a distinct icon typically represented by 3 vertical or horizontal dots, sometimes referred to as a kebab menu or a lipless menu. This icon is a universal symbol for more options or settings within most web browsers and applications. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu containing various browser functionalities and settings that extend beyond the immediate display. It's the gateway to accessing advanced features, including the one we need for creating our desktop shortcut. Once you've clicked on the 3-dotted line in the upper right corner, a comprehensive drop-down menu will appear, presenting a variety of options related to your browser and the current page. From this menu, you'll need to look for an option that specifically mentions cast, save, and share. This particular selection might vary slightly in phrasing depending on your browser, but it generally groups together features for interacting with the web content beyond just viewing it. By hovering over or clicking on Cast, Save, and Share, another submenu is often revealed, offering further choices like sharing the page, casting it to another device, or, crucially for our purpose, installing the website as an application. Now that you've accessed the Cast, Save, and Share section, you'll see several related options. Within this submenu, look for a specific entry that reads Install Microsoft Teams. This option is key because it allows your browser to create a progressive web app, or PWA, version of the Microsoft Teams web interface directly onto your computer. Selecting Install Microsoft Teams isn't just about creating a simple shortcut, it's about making Teams behave more like a native desktop application, complete with its own window separate from your main browser. This is a powerful feature that enhances the user experience by providing a dedicated, often faster, and more focused environment for your communication and collaboration needs. After selecting Install Microsoft Teams, you'll typically be presented with a final confirmation prompt. This prompt will usually ask you to confirm your intention to install the application, often displaying a small window or banner with the name Microsoft Teams and an Install button. This is the crucial final step in the installation process. Clicking this Install button will finalize the creation of your desktop shortcut and the installation of the Teams PWA. Upon successful completion, a new Microsoft Teams window will likely open automatically, separate from your web browser, confirming that the installation was successful. You will then find a brand new shortcut icon conveniently placed right on your desktop, ready for immediate access to your Teams environment whenever you need it.